Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install wheel spacers. Pretty easy to do, anybody can do it. Just make sure you buy the right spacers that are designed for your car with the correct bolt pattern. These are 1-inch wheel spacers I'll be installing on a Subaru Forester. Now one thing to consider with these wheel spacers, they're good but they're not great. A better option is to actually have a wheel with an offset that'll stick your wheel out further from the vehicle as opposed to using a wheel spacer. But if you do like the rims you have, you just want them to sit a little further away, then a wheel spacer is a good option. Unless you do a lot of off-roading, you're putting a lot of torque on those wheels, then you might want to consider forking out a little bit extra money and going with a dedicated wheel. This here is a dedicated wheel with a larger offset, and here is the stock wheel with the wheel spacer. They're both protruding the same, except I'm more confident going off-road with this wheel as I am with this one and the spacer. But again, I don't want to discourage you from using a wheel spacer, and for those that do go with the wheel spacer and want to see how they're put on, I'll show you right now. Once the wheel is off and out of the way, it's so simple guys. You're just going to grab your wheel spacer, stick them over top of the wheel studs. Your wheel spacer should come with these acorn nuts that'll thread on to your original wheel studs, and they're going to thread all the way in until they're recessed inside of the wheel spacer. And this is what it looks like with the wheel spacer installed and fastened down. You can see the original studs are recessed inside. Not going to get in the way of mounting your wheel onto the wheel spacer. And all that's left to do is get your wheel mounted back on to the new wheel spacer and enjoy your new offset. Well guys, I hope this video helped you get your wheel spacers on, and if it did, let me know in the comments. I love reading them. I always make sure to reply, and hearing that my video might help somebody out really means a lot. Or if you decided to go with a dedicated wheel that had that larger offset, let me know in the comments as well. And if you want to go one step further, then hit that subscribe button. That would be awesome. But even if you don't do that, you might want to check this next video out where I show you how to disable that annoying auto start-stop feature permanently.